Hello everyone. Today we are discussing the differences between hydraulic system and pneumatic system. In hydraulic system the pressure ranges from 500 to 700 bar, but in pneumatic system it is 5 to 10 bar. Hydra means water and pneuma means air. Hydraulic system works on liquid based system and pneumatic system works based on air or gas based system. That is another difference. So in the hydraulic system we use liquid and in pneumatic system we use air or gas. In hydraulic system working medium is a liquid and in pneumatic system the working medium is air or gas. In the case of hydraulic system, pump is the heart of the system, and in the case of pneumatic system, compressor is the heart of the system. That's another difference. Pump is the heart of the system for hydraulic and compressor is the heart of the system for pneumatic. In hydraulic system, more load carrying capacity and pneumatic system less load carrying capacity. Hydraulic system we need we don't want any separate lubrication. But in the case of pneumatic system, we need separate lubrication with the special arrangement is required. In hydraulic system, we use a liquid. So that's why we don't want any lubrication. Then if you compare the size of the hydraulic and pneumatic system, hydraulic system is a bulky system and the pneumatic system is a less bulky system. Hydraulic system is it's slower because of the viscous oil. When we compare the pneumatic system, it is faster because of the absence of viscous oil. Hydraulic system is a closed loop system and pneumatic system is an open loop system. Hydraulic system is a complex and pneumatic system is less complex. Pneumatics use pressurized gases to produce mechanical motion. By controlling the release of pressurized gas, pneumatic uses some examples of everyday pneumatic systems are shown below. Industrial examples are car production lines, mechanical clamps. Components used in the pneumatic system. Components that produce and transport compressed air. A compressor, pressure regulator. Components that consume compressed air. Execution components. How it works. Two simple pneumatic system. Single and double acting cylinders. In the case of single acting cylinder, when air pressure is removed, the spring will return back to the resting position. Double acting cylinder. It has two compressed air ports. Here, one forcing air. Advantage of pneumatics. It is high effectiveness, unlimited supply of air, easy to transport, easy released. High durability and reliability. Pneumatic components extremely durable, can be damaged easily. Simple design. High adaptability to harsh environment. Compressed air is less affected by high temperature, dust, corrosion, etc. Advantages of pneumatics. Safety. Safer than electromotive system because they work in an inflammable environment. Overloading only leads to sliding or termination of operation. Easy selection of speed and pressure. The pressure and volume can be controlled by a pressure regulator. Environmentally friendly. Does not produce pollutants. Economical. Are not expensive. Durable. Repair cost significantly low compared to other systems. Disadvantages of pneumatics. Relatively low accuracy. Volume of air may change when compressed or heated. Low loading. Due to the size of the pneumatic system, they can't drive loads that are too heavy. Processing required before use. Compressed air must be processed beforehand to ensure the absence of water, vapor, or dust. Uneven moving speed. Air can be easily compressed. The moving speeds of piston are relatively uneven. Noise. Produce noise when compressed air is released. Hydraulics. Hydraulics deals with the mechanical properties of liquid. At basic level, hydraulics can be seen as the liquid version of pneumatics. It can be used for the generation control. Hydraulic uses. Hydraulics use in different cases. Used in car brakes, braking, airplanes, adjusting wings, putting out landing gear, heavy machinery, big machines that require a lot of power. How it works. Hydraulics work by applying a force at one point and transmitting it to another point using an incompressible liquid. Hydraulics can also be used to magnify force. An effort force on one piston can be magnified to move the heavier load with the other piston. From the figure it is clear we are applying 10 Newton and we are getting as 30 Newton. Advantages of hydraulics. Power and versatility. Can transfer huge amounts of power with little input. Can be operated by unspecialized workers, saving on labor cost. Resilience. Load limiting hydraulic systems remain stable during power or system failures when repairs are needed. Disadvantages of hydraulics. Worker safety, environmental costs, energy efficiency.